The iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are finally here, and wow, they're a game changer. The first thing that hits you is the stunning display, Super Retina XDR with promotion. It's incredibly vibrant and smooth. The camera system is next level, featuring a 48MP main sensor that captures jaw-dropping detail, even in low light. And let's not forget about the new periscope telephoto lens on the Pro Max, 5x optical zoom. Performance? The A17 Pro chip is a powerhouse, making everything from gaming to multitasking feel lightning fast. Plus, the battery life has improved, so you can binge watch your favorite shows without worrying about charging. And the design? Sleek and premium, with that gorgeous titanium frame. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a whole new experience. If you're a tech enthusiast, the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are absolutely worth the hype.